வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி லெசன் 1 சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் வாட் இஸ் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். வாட் வாஸ் த ஸ்டெப் டேக்கன் பை த இயர்லி மேன் டு கலெக்ட் ஹிஸ் ஃபுட்? ஆப்ஷன் பி, ஹண்டிங் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். செகண்ட் ஒன், மேட்ச் த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வித் த ரீசன், டிக் த அப்ராப்ரியேட் ஆன்சர். Statement, prehistoric men went along with the dog for hunting. Reason, dogs with its sniffing power would find out other animals. Option B, statement and reason are correct is the correct answer. Second question, statement, the objects used by the early man are excavated. They are preserved to know the lifestyle of the people. Find out which of the following is related to the statement. Option A, museum. Find out the wrong pair. Option D, cat first domesticated is the correct answer. Find the odd one. Option C, it was drawn to show his family members about hunting. Filling the blanks, the old Stone Age man lived mostly in caves. Herodotus is the father of history. Dog was the first animal tamed by old Stone Age man. Inscriptions were archaeological sources. Ashoka's chakra has 24 spokes. True or false? Stone tools belonging to old Stone Age have been excavated at Athirambakam near Chennai. True. The material used by the ancient people are preserved in the museums by the archaeological department. True. During the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country. True. Match the following: rock paintings, copper plates, rock paintings to understand the lifestyle, written records, copper plates. Ashoka, the most famous king. Religious literature, தேவாரம். நான் உங்களுக்கு கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் கீழே கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆன்சர் இன் ஒன் வேர்ட். கேன் யூ சே எனி டூ அட்வான்டேஜ் ஆஃப் ரைட்டிங் டைரி? டைரி ரைட்டிங் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் டு ரெக்கார்ட் த ஈவெண்ட்ஸ். இட் ரிவீல்ஸ் த லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள் ஆஃப் தட் பீரியட். ஹவு டு வி நோ த பீப்புள்ஸ் லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் ஆஃப் த ஓல்டு ஸ்டோன் ஏஜ்? வி அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஆஃப் ஓல்டு ஸ்டோன் ஏஜ் ஃப்ரம் used stone tools, the paintings on the rocks and walls of the caves. Is inscription a written record? Yes, the inscription is a written record. What is proto-history? Proto-history is period between the prehistory and the history. Name an epic. Ramayana, Mahabharata and Manimekalai. Answer the following. What is history? History is a record of past events in chronological order. The term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by inquiry. What do you know about the prehistory period? The period between the use of first stone tools and the invention of written system is prehistory. Stone tools, excavated materials and rock paintings are the major source of prehistory. What are the sources available to know about the prehistory period? Paintings on the rocks and the walls of the caves. Stone tools, excavated materials are the sources available to know about the prehistoric period. Mention the places from where we got prehistoric tools. Prehistoric tools at Kodapur, Nivasa, Meherhash, rock shelters of Bibitika and Irakal caves in India. In Tamil Nadu, Athirambakam, Ariyalur, Perambalur, Adichanallur are the places where we came across the prehistoric tools. What are the benefits of a museum? Museums are commonly centers designed to inform and teach the public. The educational benefit of a museum is academic learning. Museums are the caretakers of history as much as they offer connections to history. Museums are full of stories and it's interesting for students to hear these stories. Museums offer opportunities for children to compare and contrast, leading to critical thinking. Name the tools used by early man to hunt animals. Blade cows were used. They were chunks of sharp rocks. An end scraper is a teardrop shaped piece of stone used to scrape fur and fatty tissue from the hides of animals. Burins were stone tools with a rounded grasping end and a sharp razor like working end. Awls were small circular stone flakes. Where Why were paintings drawn on rocks? Paintings could have been drawn on rocks to convey their lifestyle to the future generations. They might have wished to record their activities through their paintings. Name any two artifacts: potteries, toys, tools and ornaments. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ ஐ வில் பி அப்லோடட் சூன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.